So, hello guys, welcome back to the setup session. I hope you guys went through the intro session, and in this session, we are going to learn that how to set up the environment for programming languages, coding environment, and one more thing that in this session, I will be teaching that how to set up the environment for coding environment. We are going to write the code in Python language, so that we need to use a certain environment to write the code and get the particular output according to the code we are going to write. So I will be introduce an environment known as VS Code. You guys know that it is a well-known environment for all the programmers who write the codes in several languages. So we will be setting up the environment of VS Code in both Apple and Windows operating systems, so that we will be writing the code according to the problems we are going to solve or the concepts we are going to learn. And in VS Code we are going to set up the extension that execute the certain program that we are going to write. So yeah, I will be teaching each and everything that how to set up the environment. So pay attention and let's start the process. So now in your operating system, you guys need to open the browser, those browsers you guys use rapidly. So in the browser you need to search for the VS Code download. Like after opening the browser, you need to search as VS Code download, and you need to enter the link, and then you will be getting the first link for downloading the download the Visual Studio Code. It's completely free. So this will be the environment we are going to use for writing the codes and solving the problems, all this stuff. So you can see that there will be certain stats according to the operating systems we need to download, and for Windows it is the stat. You can see that Windows and then download option, and then you need to select a certain processor or according to the operating system. You have to see your RAM, all this stuff, and then you need to select one of these options. And after selecting that option, you need to download, and then you have to open that APK. For Mac OS, you can see that mine is Mac OS, so it's showing me to download the Mac OS APK. So yeah, you guys will be getting that certain APK that your operating system needs. You know that it will be displaying that see here it's showing highlighting the stat of Mac OS because mine is Mac OS. So you guys will also get the same. And after selecting all this stuff, mine is Apple Silicon, so it's open like this. So you have to save and download accordingly. And then after downloading process, I will be showing you guys that how will be the interface looks like. So it will be like this stuff. Yeah, after downloading process, after giving all the access that your OS will show you that what type of it needs some access. So you have to allow all the things, and then after downloading and after setting up all the VS Code environment, it will show you like this interface. You can see on the screen that this is the main interface welcoming page. Here you can see new file, open folder, clone git repository. These will be used while we work on projects. So for now we will be using these two only. I have already created a folder, or else we can also create a new folder. I will be teaching you guys to how to create a folder and open it on VS Code. So you guys can create the new file, or you can open the folder that you created earlier. So you can see the option here for file, and then you can see the options for new file or open folder. These will open the folders, and this will directly open the file or directly create a new file. Let us create a file that will open directly. So after clicking on it, you can see that here it will open this stuff and give a new name. I will be giving here that Python learning. So after entering, it will ask for create a file. So it will create like this. It's created. It's a simple file. I think you guys already know that there will be a pathway to open a file or store a file, right? In your operating system, there will be folder or finder according to your operating systems, and in that finder or in that folder, you, after opening it, if you want to create a file, whenever you want to open it or whenever you want to fetch it or search it, it will be easier to getting it. So whenever you want to create a file, make sure that you are creating a file in a particular folder. Okay, by this it will be easier to find the file faster. So I created a file here. So if you want to do the same in a folder, now coming to folder creation or opening folder, you can directly go to this file, and then you can see here for open folder, it will create a new folder. So after clicking on it, you can select this new folder option, and you can directly give a name and create a new folder, and you can access to that folder. I have already created the folder, so let us open the same. Yeah, this is the folder I created. Opening the folder, it will be open, and all the files those are stored in that folder will be opened in the VS Code, or whatever module you want to edit or you want to work on it. You can simply use that folder or file or module and open it simply and work on it accordingly. So this is the way to create a file or a folder. And one more thing, now after setting up the environment, the first thing is I will create a new file, that welcome Python. So I created a new file. In this file, let us learn that how to write hello world, that every programmer will start with to get the output as hello world, or to get the output as any kind of word. We use the simple keyword known as print. After writing the print, we need to open the braces. These braces are known as parentheses. So after writing the parenthesis, we have to write whatever we want. Hello world. This is the print keyword, and these are parentheses. This is the first word or first sentence that every programmer starts with. So I wrote here hello world. I have said that at the beginning we need to download an extension to execute the program that we are going to write or we wrote. So let us learn about that thing. Here, after writing this code, see, I have already set up that environment to execute the code that I am going to write and I am writing. You can see the execute option here, or simply run option, run button. So I will be showing you guys that which type of extension you need to download. So simply you have to go to this fifth icon. Here you can see the extensions. So after opening it, you can see here extensions. Yeah. After going to this extensions, you can see here that extensions showing here. You have to search here for Python. Simply Python. So it will give a lot of things. You have to download the main thing. You can see here Python from Microsoft, Python extension for Visual Studio Code from Microsoft only. Okay, you have to make sure that it is from Microsoft, and simply you have to install it, and it will be enabling itself. Okay, you don't need to enable yourself, it will be enabled itself. So after downloading this, you guys can see in your Python file, wherever you are going to write the Python code, you can see that you will be able to see the run button or execute button. Here you can see that I am getting the execute option. Here you have to select the run Python file. So finally I got the output as hello world. So now I became programmer. Yes, you guys will also enjoy it a lot. So let's start our journey. This is the setup session. Thank you.